Assalamualaikum members, in this video we're going to learn how to make score groups. To understand the concept of it, you need to open your complete data file of SPSS. Now in this file you can notice that I have converted or recoded all the negative questions into a new variable. And all the positive questions are remained as it is. Now come back to your questionnaire. Now in the hepatitis topic questionnaire, question number 1 to question number 13 is the knowledge question, and question number 14 to question number 19 is attitude question, and question number 20 to question number 26 is perception question. So now if you count the knowledge question, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So knowledge questions are 19. We have 19 knowledge questions. Now come back to your data. To make the score group, we need to copy this data into Excel sheet. So we're going to open Excel. Open the blank file, maximize it. Come back to your data view. All the positive questions will be copied as it is and will be pasted into a Excel sheet. And all the negative questions will not be copied, but its recoded form will be copied and pasted. Similarly, all the positive questions will be copied and all the negative question recoded variable going to be copied into Excel sheet. One thing you should remember that in this video we are going to make the knowledge score group, so we are only copying the knowledge questions. Again, question number 6A, question number 6C are positive questions, so they will be copied as it is. And again, the negative recoded variable is going to be copied over here. Recoded one again. Question number 9 is also a negative question, so its recoded form will be copied. Come to the data view. Now question number 10 to question number 12 is the positive question, and question number 13 is the negative. So question number 10 to 12 is going to be copied as it is. And question number 13 recoded form is going to be copied. Now, as I told you before, that the question number 1 to 13 is the knowledge questions and the rest are the attitude and perception questions, so we do not need to copy the rest of them for making the knowledge score. Once you've done this, then we will go to find and select the option and click on it and click on replace option. Now we're going to, the one going to remain as 1. Okay, 2 is going to be replaced with 0 because those people answered the question wrong. 3 don't know is also a wrong answer, so it's going to be converted into 0, and all the missing ones are also will be given 0 score, and 4, so there is no 4 value. Okay, there are only 3 values. Okay, done. Now once you've done this, come to this, and you can see on this data that all of the data is comprises of a 0 or 1. 0 has 0 marks and 1 has a 1 score. So we'll come here and we'll press plus sign in your keyboard, and you will see sum come up here. Click on sum, click on OK, and you can see the first participant total score appeared over here. We're going to scroll down the same formula of the sum to the rest of our data, and in this way we will get the sum of all our data. We'll come back to our SPSS variable view and scroll down to question number 13, and between question number 13 and 14 we're going to insert a new variable and name the variable knowledge score. Complete name in the label section, knowledge score. Decimal going to be 0, and there should be a no value. Come to your data view, and here you can see after the question number 13, should be placed after recoded question. Okay, now it is in correct position after the question number 13 recoded. This is empty cell, as you can see. So we are going to our Excel sheet. We're going to copy this column of the sum, we are going to copy this into knowledge score. This is the knowledge score. Now we'll sort it in ascending form, and you can see the lowest score is 2 and the highest score is 19 because there was 19 knowledge questions. So we are going to divide the score into groups. For that purpose we're going to make a new variable which is knowledge score group. Complete variable name in the label section, zero decimal again, and here we're going to give the values. For example, value 1 is equal to poor knowledge. Value 2 is given to average knowledge. Value 3 is given to good knowledge. So how are we going to score the knowledge? To understand the concept, I'm going to open the Word document. Now you saw that the highest score was 19 and the lowest score was 2. So let's say if we grade the scores, I will say 1 to 6 is equal to poor knowledge, and 7 to 12 is average knowledge, and those who scored between 13 to 19 had good knowledge. It is the very similar way how our teachers score our results in tests. 1 to 6 poor, 7 to 12 average, 13 to 19 distinction, good knowledge. So now come back to our data view of SPSS. Again, I will give one score to all the participants who scored from 1 to 6. So I convert it into value label, then you can see all those who scored less is given the value poor knowledge. And then again 7 to 12 were the average knowledge holders. I should have pasted, instead I copied it, so yes. I'm going to repeat the same procedure. Paste the 2, and then those who scored from 13 above will be given good knowledge score. You see, these are the good knowledge holders. And these are the poor knowledge, these are the average knowledge holders. In a similar way, question number 14 to question number 19, which is the attitude questions, their values going to be copied in the Excel sheet. This Excel sheet will be discarded, or if you want to save it, please save it, otherwise there is no need of it. Make a new sheet and then copy all the perception question scores over there in the similar way. That recoded should be added, not the question number 16, which is the negative question. All the recoded one and the positive one should be added, and then the sum of them should be find out, and then you will make the perception score group. First perception score variable and then perception score group variable. Similarly, you're going to copy the attitude question data into Excel sheet, and then you will make the attitude score variable and then attitude score group. And once you've done it, don't forget to save your file. As I already have the file with me, so I'm not saving it, but you should save. Okay, now let me show you the one which is completely scored. Now this is the data in which I already made knowledge score group. Then we go to the question number 19. Here the question number 19, attitude questions ends, and here is the attitude score and attitude score group, and in the end perception score and perception score group. In this way you do the scoring and make the score group. That's it. Thank you very much.